It's hard to date this truck, but I would guess it's from the late 40s. It's a Diamond T truck. They originally made cars way back, but really famous for their trucks. Very heavy duty, as you can see. Used in World War II. You have a split windshield there, and both sides tilt out. You can see by the size of the tires this is a heavy duty vehicle. I think you'd refer to this as a stake bed truck. Look inside, there are a lot of reflections, but very basic interior. It has a speedometer and 4 gauges. It has complete gauges. Steering wheel is big, no nonsense steering wheel. You'll see a little bit more of the interior when I get around the other side. Wooden stake body here. Now you're going to see the instrument cluster better here. And you can see the crank for the windshield. I love the color of the truck, and the pinstriping is neat too. It's missing a windshield wiper on the passenger side. It might have been optional, not sure. Nice chrome grille there.